Hello YouTube, I'm Mars1952 and today I'm installing a ceiling fan, and I thought it'd be a good opportunity to show you how to make a nice neat spliced joint when you have multiple wires and you don't want a big lump when you're done. So first off, you take your two wires and you split them or strip them on the end. Then you carefully divide the wires. Doesn't have to be perfect, but you want to be about half of them. Do it on the other wire too. Divide the individual wires. Now you twist these together, half and half. Then you just bend one back the other way. And that's your first wire. Do that with the rest of the wires. Then you get a piece of heat shrink tubing, slip over them, each individual set. Find the center, make sure your heat shrink tubing is centered on your joint. Then any heat source will work. I prefer to use a heat gun, but I don't have it handy today. When you're using flame, you got to be careful you don't burn the stuff, melt it too much. Keep a close eye on it. You want it to shrink down pretty good. Okay, it's hot. So there's one. I've already done the other two. I'll stretch these out here, line them up, so you can see the joints are staggered nicely, no lump. Now in this case, it wasn't really necessary, but sometimes it is. I like to do it this way because it looks neat. Even though it's going to be covered up, I know it's there. That's it. Staggered heat shrink joints.